Hey there and welcome to another episode of Jeb's Toy Box. And right now we are going to continue our Blockies serie, um, and reviewing Blockies figures. But right now, since we already reviewed Wave 1, Wave 2, we are trying to get a hold of Wave 3. Unfortunately, medyo wala akong makitang suitable para sa aking budget. So I'm still looking. Also, disclaimer, medyo tahimik yung or medyo mahina yung boses ko because it's late in the evening na, and my daughter and wife is currently sleeping, and I don't want to to wake up anybody. But anyway, too much of that. We're going to review Wave 4. Okay? Kasi may nakita ako sa Shopee na sale ng Wave 4 figure. So I bought it and kararating lang ito kanina, and let's go and have a review. So Wave 4, I have 1, 2 and 3. Yan. So 3 Blockies Wave 4 figure na ating re-reviewin for tonight. Hopefully we will not have any duplicates. Okay? Currently figure na meron tayo, wala naman tayong kahit anong duplicate eh. So wala pa naman tayong Wave 4, so we won't have any duplicate. Pero hindi na alam, because it's blind box, hindi na alam mo one of these figures is may duplicate. So before that, let's have a look on the box. So we have Shockwave. And medyo purple yung kanyang color scheme. Unlike the first one is black, I believe. The second one is blue. The third one is red, and I believe this is the fourth. The fourth one is yellow. Purple. So we have here Shockwave. Blockies, which is Chinese yan, or Chinese characters yan, because it's not really the English dub na release ng Blockies. So Transformer 40 years anniversary, the Autobot symbol, so authentic. Nemesis Prime, we have this bio with Shockwave on it, and this is ito yung kanyang list ng makukuha natin. So we have Magnus, Slug, I believe. Ba sa Slug ba ito? Yeah, parang Slug na naka-Dino mode and then naka-Robot mode, Smokescreen, Nemesis Prime, Tarn, yung kanilang rare figure, which is the Shockwave na medyo metallic version. Then we have Shockwave. We have 2 Constructicons, which I believe meron din sa Wave 2. Yeah, Wave 2, nakakuha tayong dalawang Constructicon. Isang Constructicon doon. Pero present yung 2 Constructicon doon. Tapos sa Wave 3, meron din dalawa. Tapos Wave 4, which is itong dalawa. So, mabubuo mo yung lahat ng Constructicon. Pero di mo sila pwedeng i-build as Devastator, sadly. So, we have Hook and we have Scrapper. I believe this is Scrapper. Yeah, so, dito pa lang sa list na to, panalo na. Ang tingin kong parang ayoko lang siguro, hindi mas ayoko makuha, pero siguro masabi kong talo ko. Hindi man talo, pero siguro least na gusto kong makuha is the Smokescreen, because we already have the mold of Prowl. Ayan, yun lang, Smokescreen lang. Tapos itong Smokescreen to, napakaswerte. Anyway, so that's that. Okay, so let's open our first box and then see kung anong makuha natin. So, let's open that. Again, medyo tahimik ako kasi I don't want na magising yung aking baby. So, open natin yung box. Open na yung makuha tayong maganda. Okay. Tapos meron kaya itong Wave 5? Wala. So, kasi diba napasin nyo nung sa Wave 1 and 2, meron silang preview kung ano yung makukuha or ano yung next wave. So, siguro ito na yung last wave kasi wala tayong kahit anong makikitang parang makikitang teaser. So we have the core of the two bags. Okay, and we have our instruction manual kung paano sila buuin. With the basic, I believe is yung Nemesis. Hindi. Bago siya. Si Aslag na yung kanilang default. Kasi yung default si Nemesis, si Nemesis or si Prime, diba? Si Scatter Glass Prime. And lahat ng wave kasi merong Optimus Prime mode kasi siya yung pinaka-basic kumbaga. So, sa wave 1, si Optimus Prime. Sa wave 2, si Optimus Prime Scatter Glass. Sa wave 3, si Ultra Magnus na base form, which is yung white na Prime. Then sa wave 4, ito nga, si Nemesis Prime. Yan. Huwag po na mawala sa Nemesis. Anyway, so this is the major box, the major bag kung saan nakalagay lahat ng components, and then yung kamay, yung mga alternate hands. So let's see kung nakuha natin. Whoa! I think I know who this is. Oh, nice. Very good, magandang simulain. But again, with the magic of editing, see you after a few seconds.
We now return to the Transformers.
And we are back. So, medyo natagalan ako sa pagbuo kay Magnus because marami siyang bits, marami siyang parts. And siguro disclaimer lang, if you're going to get this wave and you're gonna get Ultra Magnus, make sure lang na all parts are there before inyo ilapat or ibuuin siya dun sa main body niya, because there are so many pegs that are a bit tiny and a bit thin na kapag nagkamali kayo, medyo mahirap siyang alisin, and it might cause some issues, like yung dito sa breast part niya, hiwalay itong piece na to. Tsaka by the way, pala meron siyang matrix of leadership na naka-mold yung sa chest niya, sa loob. Anyway, so itong breast part niya na to na medyo lightish red, hiwalay ito, tsaka yung eyes niya. So yung mga pegs niya dun sa kanyang head and dun sa kanyang chest is what you call this, medyo manipis. So hindi ko na ilagay ito agad, so tinanggal ko siya. Ang problema, nagkaroon ako ng strain, nagkaroon ako ng stress marks dun sa mga pegs ko, kaya ingat lang. Okay, ingat lang. Anyway, Ultra Magnus as a figure is awesome. Okay, awesome. This is one of those na gusto ko makuha, and parang alam niyo, hindi nakakasisi yung shoulder joint na usual kay Blocky. Hindi nyo gagamit ito kasi meron siyang by default, meron dito. Tsaka medyo malaki, malapad yung kanyang shoulder. So look at that head sculpt. Look at that head sculpt. Oh, look at that. Isn't that Ultra Magnus? Flake, look at that. So same pa rin yung kanyang articulation. A wide range of articulation. So you can get awesome poses from this guy. Yan. And then kasama pa rin niya yung stand, and meron siyang red energon cube for some reason. I don't know para saan to, but yeah. So that is Ultra Magnus. Pangis, diba? Tapos may rifle din para siya. Yung rifle niya. Yeah. Pangas. Yung mga accessories niya sa usual, spare hands, and then yung kanyang pog. Hindi ba tayo pakita yung kanyang pog? Ayan yung kanyang pog. Up. QR code. Pre-scan. Anyway, so that is Ultra Magnus. On to our next figure. Exit muna siya. Ayan. Okay. Hopefully makuha natin yung gusto natin. Up to our next figure. Okay. Same. The manual. And ating main box. Let's see kung ano makuha natin. Surprise! Up! Nalaglag. Sorry. Nalaglag akong part. Anyway. Oh, no effing way. Ay, hindi. I believe kilala ko to. Pero, ito nga ba ito? Anyway.
The Transformers will return after these messages.
Okay, people, this is not an effing drill. We have Tarn. Dude, I feel so lucky for the yung magkasunod nating Blocky box. I feel so lucky. Look at this. Look at this. Again, medyo marami siyang components, and di natin gamitin or di na kailangan ulit yung shoulder joints para dun na usual na ginagamit sa Blockies. But dude, look at this. Look at effing Tarn. Look. That head sculpt. Can you look at that head sculpt? Wow. And marami siyang yung mga components na yan. May mga maliliit siyang components, so be careful if sa Tarn yung makuha nyo. But you will end up with this bulky yet wonderful or yet awesome, super cool na figure. Tingnan nyo naman. Oh shoot, handang-handa talaga siyang mag-cause ng damage. Yung menacing niya talagang this is something na parang yung build niya is something na parang will not leave a city standing, parang ganon. So here we go with Ultra Magnus, roughly the same size and the same bulk, but I don't know, dude, sa Tarn na ata talaga ang parang bago kong paboritong Decepticon. This figure really justifies the menacing or the intensity na meron sa Tarn. For the accessory, same lang, extra pes, and ito yung kanyang pog. Ayan. Tarn. Look at that. Shoot. And QR code. Dude, may stand pa rin siya. Ayan. So that's Tarn, and I hate to do it, but go there muna, Tarn. And we are on our final box. Okay? I feel so lucky para dun sa dalawang box natin. So I'm really hoping, or parang medyo mataas yung expectation ko for the final box. But let's see what we're gonna have. Our manual, main, parang konti yung kanyang laman main bag. Let's see. Oh, white. Okay lang. Parang consolation prize, pero okay lang din. Anyway, so see you in a bit.
The Transformers will return after these messages.
And last but not the least, although sabi ko nga, this is the least na kumbaga parang I want to have, kasi since meron tayong mold ni Prowl, pero still okay na ako rito. And kinda sad, or hindi naman sad, pero kinda underwhelming siguro na dito na mag-end, but still it's a good figure. So we have here Smokescreen, itong kanyang pog, and Smokescreen, and QR code. So same mold with Prowl na meron tayo with on the Wave 1, although siguro the winning side here is that yung kanyang details and yung color scheme niya is much better than what we have with Prowl. And dahil na sports car siya, So medyo parang vibrant yung kanyang kanyang color scheme. So ayan. So yung heads up niya same lang kay Prowl, and everything is good naman. Ayan. Okay. There you have it. Ayan. So mistan pa rin yan. Ayan. So let's get our boy band together. Ayan. Yeah, so that is our Blockies Wave 4 3 figures, blind box figures, and I'm so happy with the variety na meron tayo rito, especially kay Tarn and kay Ultra Magnus, which is medyo sad nga lang di na ako si On Nemesis Prime. But again, with Blocky serye, let's see, baka sana may makikita tayo na murang or pasok sa budget na Wave 3, and definitely bibili tayo ng Wave 3 para makumpletar natin yung all waves, and as much as possible, if we can if makakita pa rin tayo ng mga sale, babanatan hanggang makumpletar natin yung set. So tuloy-tuloy lang yung Blocky serye till na yun, sasagitan din naman na siya ng iba't ibang figures na makukuha natin along the way. Ayan. So that is it for today's episode. Thank you very much for watching, and hope na sana nagustuhan yung episode natin for today. Kita-kits tayo sa next episode, and you have a great day. Bye!